Next, let's look at the module used in generating report. Now, to find this module, we can search for it using the command module search report. So I just come here and then type modules search report, and then hit enter. Now I can see the various modules whose name meet the search criteria report. That means I have the report within the name, reporting / CSV. This will generate report for me in CSV format. The reporting / HTML, this module will generate report for me in HTML format. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to look at the how to generate report using the module CSV and how to generate report using the reporting / HTML module. All right, so to load this module, as usual, we can load the module using the command modules load reporting / CSV. Okay, let's go with the CSV first. Okay, so I can clear the terminal, entering the command shell clear. Now I run the info command to find information about this module and how to set the various options and use it. So this module is from the description we can see it create a CSV file containing the specified harvested data. All right, and the file name is going to be generated as a result of CSV in the path home / Faisal / Recon-ng workspaces / the CNN.com workspace we have created, and then result.csv. All right, so and then we have the various options that we can set. Also the file name, these are options that we can set. The file name, now we can specify our own. This is the default this is the default path where our where the generated result will be saved, but we can specify our own location where we want this particular report, the generated report, to be saved. Also, also whether we want headers. If we don't want headers, then we can set that option to false, and then the table that we want to generate the report from, which is the host table also. All right, so everything is okay for me, but to set the heading, let me just show how to set the headers, though we have done this before. So set all right, options, set, and then which option are we setting? Headers. So I can set it to false. I've set it to false. Now if I run info command, I can see that it has been set to false. So but I want to have the headers in my generated report, so I'll go back and set it as true, so that I can have headers in my generated report. All right, so shell so clear. Okay, so now that everything is all right, I can run this module by just entering the command run, and then I'll hit enter. So you can see instantly it has already generated the report, and it has been saved to this location, home / person / Recon-ng directory, and the Recon-ng directory workspaces / CNN.com, and it is saved as result.csv. Right, so I can navigate to that particular directory. Let me open a new tab. Right, so I can ls.la will show me the Recon-ng hidden file. This is the .recon-ng, so I can navigate to that directory. .recon-ng, can navigate inside that directory. Okay, inside the workspaces, so I will navigate into the workspaces directory. All right, clear. Then into my workspace that I've created, which is CNN.com, and clear ls. Okay, so I have my result.csv. Okay, and I can open it using I have LibreOffice that I have installed on my system. LibreOffice, which is an open source office. You can also install it. So I want to open the result.csv. So I will this ampersand will make sure that my terminal is still functional after opening the result.csv using my specified application, which is LibreOffice. So I'll just hit enter. LibreOffice will open the CSV report we have generated. All right, I'll just press OK. Okay, and here we are. We have our format has been generated in the CSV format. All right, we have the host, column, we have the IP address column, where then we have region, country, elongated node, broad host. All right, so this is how to work with the how to generate the report in CSV format. All right, so I'll close it. Next, we are going to see how to generate reports in HTML format. All right, so we'll just come here. Let me clear the terminal. I always love having a clean slate, so let me clear the terminal. Now I will enter the back command to get out of this module. Okay, so the module is modules search reporting, report. Okay, so this is a module reporting slash HTML. So let me just copy it. Name of the module. Now I can still clear the terminal. Now I will load this module. Modules, load, then I will specify the name of the module that I want to load, which is reporting slash HTML, and then I'll hit enter. Now I run the info command to know the various options I need to set to get this module running. Okay, so the options, I need to specify the creator of this particular report, which is already specified here as Faisal, the customer who you are generating the report for, then the file name, the location where you want to set the file name, and then sanitize true, that is make sensitive data in the report. Okay, mask sensitive data in the report. All right, so create. Okay, so let me just to show, let us reset these options again. So let me options, we can unset it as well. Let us unset it. Options unset. Which option? Creator. I want to unset options unset creator, so I'll just hit enter. So it has been set to none now. That options unset customer as well. Customer. Okay, so options unset. All right. File. All right. So the location where you want to save the file name is okay. So let's see the options. Let's see the options now. Info. So we can see that the creator option and the customer option have been unset. All right, so let me set it now to a different something entirely. All right, so I can just options set. Okay, creator. Let's set the creator as any name, any arbitrary name. Let's say this. Let's save it as John. Option set. The option. Set it as just any name. John, the creator of the report, and the customer. Okay, I'll set the customer options. Set customer. Okay, let me set if that's face on. Okay, and I'll hit enter. Okay, so let me run info again to make sure that everything has been set. Okay, so we have the creator has been set as John, the customer is Faisal, and then the file name and the location has been specified as well. Okay, so everything is all right. So I can just hit the wrong command and then enter the wrong command and get it running. Okay, and the report has been generated instantly. All right, so let me clear my terminal, and then I can go and get the report. Okay, so okay as well, clear ls. Okay, so we have the result.html. Okay, I can open it with Firefox also. So Firefox, and what am I opening? Results.html, and then ampersand, so that the terminal will still be active even after running the command. All right, so here we have our report. Our report has been generated. It is a summary. We have it in HTML format. The report has been generated in HTML format. So we have this summary of the report. Domains 0. We don't have any domains. Company 0. Net block 0. We have host 265 host has been found by Recon-ng. The modules we run. Contact, it has found 2 contact. We have 2 contact, and then we can also open this. So we have the various hosts that we have found, the IP address, as well as the module that was used in finding that particular data record. Okay, so we go over them. Then also we have the other table, which is the contacts table. Okay, so we can also open it. Okay, so we can see that it has been created by John, and then date and time has also been specified. All right. So also the customer who this report is made for is Faisal, thus as we have specified.